Hi there! Now you will see how to make a ring flower. First, we will be beginning by making a fish-like shape. For this, you just need one single origami paper. You have to follow some folds and you will be ready. Make 4 of these and then join them together. Do you have some printed origami paper? If not, you can definitely use any colored paper of your choice, but here I am using a floral printed paper. I am going to make an envelope with a heart shape on it. See, we can already see the heart. Now we just have to make a few folds. It is so easy to make. I never imagined. Hi there! Next I'm going to show you something really pretty and creative. We are going to make a box, but this is going to be a tissue box and a really tiny tissue box, perfect for our dolls. Just in a few folds, we can make our tissue box ready. We just have to tuck in the corners. See how it beautifully converted into a box? Now we can fold in tiny tissue papers onto each other and stack them and put them inside the box. Now grab your floral printed paper. I am going to show you something very interesting. Girls simply love their wallets and purses, and this is exactly what I am going to show you now. This makes the perfect gift for your mother, for your sister, or your friend who is a girl. And the best part, you don't even have to spend a dime for this present.